How's it going, guys? This is No First Southern Storm, along with
Body 01, Clay Ranger 143, who is fucking far away from the camera for some reason. There we fucking go. And as you can clearly see, I'm under
Flash Flood Watch.
And the other for WX.
Bunch of floods, Clay. I can see your zone guard's lit back there. Anyway, we are doing a double unboxing today. Well, one's in a box, one's in a package. Both of my radios came in today. We got an Eton and a Uniden.
Or Uniden.
Uniden, Nicholas.
Yeah. Uniden.
Alright. Which one should I... Let's do this one first. The Eton FR800. This was Austin's, aka Storm Chaser 668. Thank you so much for this radio. And let's get it out. Using my handy dandy Walmart knife.
Walmart.
As Clay calls it.
Replace the tomfoolery and butt fuckery known as Walmart.
I feel sorry that you have a knife made by them.
Butt
Or
fuckery.
at least branded by them. I feel bad for you, Katie. So now the knife is gonna fuck up the packaging.
Well.
Giggity!
Let's get it out. This is the Eton FR800.
Walmart.
The big ass red brick.
Dang, Austin, you're actually seeing it.
Huh?
Paper. Ooh.
Ooh. I see that. It's a big red brick.
It is a big red brick.
Hey, Clifford, now you have a new toy.
Now I got 3 Etons. Oh. Wow, this feels
Bulky.
different, yeah. It's like rubbery at first. I don't know.
Not to interrupt, but Nicholas, what is that Eton radio that's like red and white, and you were there was a video of it in Squeeze the other day you took of WXM 80.
That was the Solar Link FR370.
Okay, thank you.
But anyway,
on Solar Link.
this is the Eton Weather Tracker FR800. Thank you, Austin. It's a very pretty, shiny red radio. Now, he did tell me before that it did not come with an adapter. Adapter.
Katie has a bunch of adapters.
Well, anyway, I think I have one over here somewhere. See if it fits, first of all.
Dr. Pepper.
Ew, that's diet.
Oh, I can't help it. I don't buy it. My mom does.
Let's try this thing out. Give me this. Let's see.
Fuck diet, Dr. Pepper.
It's not. It doesn't taste bad. It's just. It's bad for you. It's really bad. So.
They diet, Dr. Pepper.
Ooh, there it is.
Yeah, but if I
That works.
take the tea out, it's dye.
Anyway, let's see what this thing. Oh yeah, it takes 3 big guy batteries. I'll eventually get those. One more has them. But yeah. Oh, I probably should have pressed the buttons for good luck. Let's press the buttons for good luck. Here's the lovely buttons up top. Eton! Alright, let's figure this thing out. Hold on a second. How do you friggin' work this thing? Oh.
I wonder if there'll be, with Hurricane Matthew, it's a post from
Matthew.
Christopher. Anyways, with Hurricane Michael coming in, I wonder
I'm
if
trying
there'll
to
be any extreme wind warnings.
figure this thing out. Whoops. Do I gotta hold it or something? Or work on it or something? What's going on here? Alright. What the heck? Nothing's working.
What was that?
Sticky keys.
I'll have to figure this out later. I probably should get batteries for this thing, because I don't know if the adapter is the right one or not.
I did it. Mother.
What was that? Let's try this thing again. I may have to get batteries for this, because I don't think this is the right adapter.
I shall be right back. I gotta go prep my dinner real quick.
Oh.
Yeah, whatever. I'll work on it later. But anyway, it's gonna go right here. Look at that Eton towering over all the other radios that I have here. That's funny. Very pretty looking radio. I'll eventually get it going. Meantime, let's get the other one out. Shall we? Let's get the Uniden out. Uniden Bearcat. WX100. Now, hey. Yay!
Confetti.
Confetti! Yay! Oops, I just dropped one. Hello. Oh well, I'll get there. Yeah. Get all this crap out.
Hey, another WX100 just got on eBay yesterday. And it's for $19.
That's how much I paid for this. There's your...
$8 shipping
There's
from
the
Burnsville,
adapter.
Minnesota.
There's a little note.
I thought you were about to say Burnsville, North Carolina. 'Cause that's literally a fucking county away from me.
Congratulations on your purchase. I hope we can do business again soon. From Battle Creek, Michigan.
Oh, I might consider actually getting the WX.
What the? That was Discord. That was Discord. My phone just got raped again by Discord.
Let's get it out. There it is.
Let's see it.
I got my own. My own Uniden Bearcat.
Uniden Bearcat.
Uniden.
WX 100.
And it looks like it takes 9-volt batteries. Alright, I think I'm going to have a little change of plans. I think what I'm going to do is move that Eton. I almost called it a zone guard. But the zone guards are back there. I think what I'm going to do is move that over here and move that over there.
No, it was not Discord. It was not Discord. It was NWS Columbia. They issued a tropical storm warning.
I'm going to move this
They upgraded it. They upgraded it.
here. And I think the Uniden is going to go over there. So, if I can, hold on a second.
Plus, the Uniden Bearcat is one of my favorite sirens.
Yeah, now I got it.
I consider getting this.
NWS Columbia.
Yeah, that'll work right there. Let's plug it in real quick. I really don't think I want to get a 9-volt. Oh. Contact right here. Did you hear that? Alright. Now.
It's the RWT-10 from the 100.
Now, let's figure this thing out. Hey, Clay, since you're the master of this thing, help me out here. Okay, time. Really? I'll worry about the time later. Voice, of course. Ding dong. Not sure what channel I want to have it on. I'll put it on channel 7 for right now. Alright, so to do the alert test, I gotta hold the alert button.
I think.
You gotta hold the 2, 3, and 4 buttons.
That's pretty freaking loud. is louder than I thought it was gonna be. Wow. Is that really how loud this thing really is?
What the fuck? What? I'm just doing this. I'm just trying to do this.
So, is that really?
Oh, hey.
What?
Oh, no.
So this unit in here, is that how loud this thing really is? You can't quiet it down? Hey!
Oh, now's not the time for that. Save that for 3 in the morning.
Hey, you Uniden users.
Yeah, what's up?
There's no other way I can quiet the alert.
I mean,
you can hold down the alert button and then it'll put on display mode.
Okay. But that's as loud as it's gonna. That's how loud it really is. You can't. It's not like.
yeah, no set. There's no adjustable alert volume for the WX100, sadly.
Wow. Okay. Hey.
And Rip Clay. Oh, he says I'm gonna go. Oh, Rip.
Rip.
And he also said where.
Yeah, this thing's pretty loud. It's a pretty freaking loud radio, but I will put it on display. Only because it's that loud. But yeah, there they are. This is the Uniden Bearcat WX100, if I said it right. And the Eton weather tracker FR800. I will eventually get batteries for it, and I will get it going. In the meantime, thank you for watching this very devious video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. Yeah. Blah. This is my first of the storm. Signing out along with
Buddy 01 and Clay Ranger 143 who left, so he's not here right now. So.
Red.
And the Rutherford WX.
And we will catch you guys next time, whatever the heck I'm doing.